Something always has to happen. Having fun with your dad getting stuck? That is why we are going to be getting rid of the Tahatsu. And we will be getting 1, a gator tail, or 2, a pro drop. What? First trip out, man. Let's see if we can catch 4 before my boy gets here. Go! The first voyage. It feels so nice right off the bat for the amount of space in this boat. I'm probably gonna say that so many times, it's not even gonna be funny. It's not even gonna be funny. Like, I could lay my pole down completely flat and I still got room. It's insane. But, so right now we're just in a normal little spot. This spot right here has got a lot of sentimental value to me personally. It's the one of the first spots I used to come with my grandpa and alligator hunt. So he's not here anymore, and I say this a lot in some of my videos. My grandpa's not here anymore, and so I wish I could share this moment with him in this boat that I got, showing him all my hard work. All my hard work is just paying off, you know. Every time when I come out fish and I make these videos, it's paying off. But right now, the wind's blowing a little bit. It's gonna slowly pick up. It's gonna be kind of hard to do any sight casting and get on some, but that does not mean I will not try. My goal today is not really to catch fish. It's to fill out the boat, see how the boat operates, see how the setup is, everything like that. So we got our hook on. Now we're gonna get our bait. And I grabbed the wrong tub. Go! First fish, baby. Oh yeah. Slam them. First fish and some boat flip. Let's power pull down. Let's power pull down, baby. That easy. We're power pulled down. We got our first red, baby. First red in the new boat. It was awesome. That's what I'm talking about. Boat flipped them out. Oh, man. Now I'm not keeping any today. Here we go. There he goes. He's good. Got the power pull down. Oh, yeah. Yeah, baby. I knew we could do it. Took us no time. No time. to get another one. Go! Nice. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Oh yeah. God. Whew. Oh yeah. Oh, slammer, baby. Whew. God, look how gorgeous. He's pulling. That's a good one. That's a gold one too. Whew. That's a bull red, baby. Whew. God. Gosh, freaking red. Man, freaking gorgeous. Oh man. You gotta love it. Have to love it. Man. What I'm talking about, y'all. Louisiana Reds. It's worth it. If you want to come fish with me, now I got the pro drive. Guess what? You could come. Get with me, let me know, and we'll do it. We'll make it happen. Let's let this baby go. Got him. I spud down and I got him. Oh, you come out the grass, buddy. You come out the grass. You're about to get boat flipped by 7 baits. Nice one. Nice little one. Man. Check this dude out. Check him out. freaking unbelievable. Smoked it. Let's let him go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Wow, my pole just broke. Get this baby off. All right. Trying to get some awesome release video footage. That's not happening. These things are very anxious. All right. So, looks like it came unglued. That's what it looks like. Now, I gotta go with this pole. Rigged up and get back to it. Whew. Another one. Gorgeous. Gorgeous red. that one. And they got some up ahead. Puppy draw. Oh man, so much fun. Yeah. That's a toad too. That's a toad. That's a good one. That's a good one. I was trying to get good video footage of releasing it. That didn't happen. So here we are. We're in the bayou. On the way in. Well, I ran out of gas. So I called one of my buddies up. I'm like, hey bro, you want to come bring me some gas? He's like, are you fucking kidding me? I was like, nah bro, I'm in the main bayou on the way in. He's like, yeah, I'll bring you some. I'm like, all right, cool. Well, for the meantime, we gonna fish. Go! Oh, yeah. Yeah. Woo. Oh, yeah. Poke flip. Oh, cool, and that's a nice one too. All right, let's see if we, since we didn't keep any, let's see if we can catch 4 before my boy gets here with gas. All right, that's 1. Unfortunately, all I got was that 1. Oh well, I could hear him. He called me, letting me know he was about to pull up.
7 beats, power pole edition. I mean, pro drive edition.